Welcome for class Amiskis. Teacher, open your book. Today we will start the 7th chapter of grammar review, that is conjunction. Very important part of speech. So let's start. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word which joins one word to another word or one sentence to another sentence. A very easy concept is here. Conjunction is a word which joins one word to another word or one sentence to another sentence. Read the following sentences. You and Ali are friends. Ali will fail because he doesn't work hard. Adil works hard but Tahir is idle. Jamal must work hard or he will fail. Amir is idle as well as foolish. See students, conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words which join one word with other word or one sentence with the other sentence. A very easy concept is here. ऐसे अल्फाज हैं जो कि क्या करते हैं, एक लफ्ज़ और दूसरे वर्ड यानी दो वर्ड्स को आपस में कंबाइन करते हैं, ज्वाइन करते हैं. और सिमिलरली वन सेंटेंस with the other sentence, they are the joining words. ये joining words हैं. See the examples. Alia and Aksa are friends. Alia is a word. Aksa is also a word. Means to say that Alia and Aksa are two words, and is a word that is joining these two words. And is a word that is joining these two words, Alia and Aksa. So and is called the conjunction of this sentence. All right, see the other example. You and I will go to market. This is a word, this is the second word, and is a word that is joining these two words. Okay, so this is called the conjunction of this sentence. So this is how I use conjunction for one word with the other word, for joining one word with the other word. Now see the second one sentence with the other sentence, how we can join one sentence with the other sentence. See the examples. She is busy because she has to prepare breakfast. She is busy. This is a full sentence. She has to prepare breakfast. This is the second sentence. These are two sentences. First one is that and second one is this one. And because is a word that is joining one sentence with the other sentence, as we have read earlier. So this word because is known as a conjunction of the sentence. All right. Asif will go to Lahore although it is Friday. Asif will go to Lahore. This is a complete sentence because it has subject and predicate, and it is Friday. It's also a complete sentence. Means to say that two main clauses are given to us. Clause है ना, ये बच्चे हमने पहले स्टडी किया. What is clause? Clauses are the group of words that have subject as well as verb. इसमें हमारे पास subject भी है और verb भी है. So it will be called as a clause. So these two clauses are given to us, and this is a word that is joining these two clauses. So although is the conjunction of this sentence. See the book. Here the words and, because, but, or as well as join one word to the other on one sentence to another sentence. Such words are called conjunctions. Alright students, study the use of conjunction in the following sentences. The table was heavy, therefore I could not lift it. टेबल भारी था इसलिए ताहम मैं इसको ना उठा सका. Wait for me till I return. मेरे आने तक मेरा इंतज़ार करो. Will you get the prize if you work hard? You will get the prize if you work hard. अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो तुम्हें इनाम मिलेगा. आदिल and Rashid are old friends. आदिल और राशिद क्या हैं, पुराने दोस्त हैं. The mice will play when the cat is away. चूहे खेलेंगे जब बिल्ली उनसे दूर होगी या जब बिल्ली चले जाएगी. Work hard, मेहनत करो, और you will fail, वरना फेल हो जाओगे. Though he is poor, अगरचे वो गरीब है, he is happy, वो खुश है. Unless you tell me the truth, जब तक तुम मुझे सच नहीं बताओगे, I shall avoid you, मैं तुम्हें नहीं बुलाऊंगा. We waited for her until she returned, हमने उसका इंतज़ार किया जब तक वो वापस ना आई. Although he is very rich, अगरचे वो बहुत ज़्यादा अमीर है, he doesn't help the poor, वो गरीबों की मदद नहीं करता. We can join two or more sentences together by using conjunction. मैंने आपको पहले बताया that we can join two or more sentences by using conjunction. See here, the girl was there, her mother was there. These are two sentences given to you. Now we will join them with the help of conjunction. Her brother was there. The girl, her mother and her brother were there. That girl has short hair, her sister has long hair. That girl has short hair, but her sister has long hair. But is a word that is joining two sentences, so we will call it conjunction. Bilal cannot go to school today, he is ill. Bilal cannot go to school because he is ill. Umar must work hard, he will fail. Umar must work hard or he will fail. He is idle, he is foolish. He is idle as well as foolish. Now see the exercise. Circle the conjunctions in the following sentences. 2 and 2 make 4. What is the conjunction used in this sentence? And. Because 2 and 2, because he is joining 2 and 2, it is joining two words. Alright. Do it because it's your duty. Do it is a sentence. It is your duty. It's also a sentence. It's a clause. It's also a clause. And because is a word that is joining. He did not work hard, therefore he failed. Therefore is a word that is conjunction used in the sentence. Though poor, he is happy. Though. Work hard if you want to pass. If. Rida is clever but idle. Is the girl tall or thin? Or is the conjunction that is used? She is poor but honest. So but is a word that is used here as conjunction. Exercise number 2 is given to you. Choose a suitable conjunction from the following and fill in the blanks. क्या करना है? Choose करना है suitable conjunction को that we are given here from the following and fill in the blanks. So let's start. He passed. He worked hard. He passed, but he worked hard. No. If he worked hard. No. Till he worked hard. No. Because he worked hard. वो पास हो गया क्योंकि उसने मेहनत की. So this is the first one. He called. उसने आवाज़ दी. Dash no one answered. मगर किसी ने जवाब नहीं दिया. He called but no one answered. Catch me dash you can. पकड़ सको तो पकड़ लो. See here. If you can. पकड़ सकते हो तो पकड़ लो. Wait for me till I return. जब तक मैं वापस ना आऊँ मेरा इंतज़ार करना. See the next page. Very simple. See exercise 3. Join these sentences using and or but. And या but हमने use करना है. These both are conjunctions. She sings sweetly. She sings softly. She sings sweetly but she sings softly. First वाले में हम but use करेंगे. You will rewrite the sentences. She sings sweetly but she sings softly. She sings well, but she is not a singer. I'm going to Multan, but my father is going to Sialkot. The hunter walked towards a deer, but the deer did not see him. Mohsin opened his book and he began to read it. That girl is thin, but her brother is tall. And her brother is tall. we will use and in these sentences and but in these sentences. Like she sings well but she is not a singer. वो अच्छा गाती है लेकिन वो सिंगर नहीं है. I'm going to मुल्तान. We can also use and. मैं मुल्तान जा रहा हूँ और मेरे बाबा सियालकोट जा रहे हैं. So we can also use here and. The hunter walked toward the deer, but the deer did not see him. And we will use and. But. Alright. See exercise number 4. Same is the case with this question. Join these sentences by using or because. और यूज़ करना है और because यूज़ करना है. He failed in the examination because he didn't work hard. क्योंकि उसने मेहनत नहीं की तो वो फेल हो गया. Alright, you will rewrite the sentences by using conjunctions. Here in this space you have been provided. We could not play the match because it was raining. हम मैच नहीं खेल सके क्योंकि बारिश हो रही थी. Because आएगा. He must work hard. उसको ज़रूर मेहनत करनी चाहिए वरना वो फेल हो जाएगा. और he will fail. She could not win the prize because she did not work hard. क्योंकि उसने मेहनत नहीं की तो वो प्राइज जीत नहीं सकी. Is Muna your sister? Is Muna your cousin? These are two questions. We can make them one. See, is Muna your sister or cousin? Is Muna your sister? Your sister or cousin? See, here we are using conjunction. And you can see that we are also contracting these two sentences into single sentence. She cannot drink this coffee because it's too hot. वो कॉफ़ी नहीं पी सकती क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है. Because we will add. Alright, you will rewrite these sentences in the space that you have been given here. Alright. So this is our today's lecture. We studied that what is conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins two words or one sentence with the other sentence. Very simple, very simple. Practice them more and more that how we can use them in the sentence and which conjunction is suitable for which sort of sentence. Alright.